still with you. Just say the word when you're ready to start.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to another exciting conversation. I'm your host and today we are exploring one of the most exciting technology shaping our future, augmented reality. And to guide us through this futuristic journey we have our digital expert Annie. So let's begin. Annie, to start things off, can you explain what augmented reality actually is in simple words?
Well, that's a bit of a mix-up. Um, I'm Maya, not Annie. But no worries, happy to talk AR. Basically, augmented reality takes the real world around you and layers digital stuff on top of it. Think of it like looking at the world through a special lens that adds computer-generated images, sounds, or other sensory enhancements. It's different from virtual reality, which creates a completely artificial world. AR enhances the one you're already in. Pokemon Go is a pretty easy example to understand. Those little creatures appeared in your actual living room, right? It's building on what's there, not replacing it.
Okay. How AI
Does that
becoming such an important technology in today's world?
honestly, it boils down to practicality and impact. It's not just about games anymore. Think about surgeons using AR to visualize data during operations, or mechanics getting step by step instructions overlaid on the engine they're working on. Makes complex tasks easier and reduces errors. Then you've got stuff like virtual try-ons for clothes, huge for online shopping. And it's moving into training, design, even tourism. Basically, anything where visualizing information in a real world context is helpful, AR shines. It's about making information accessible and usable in a natural way. And that's a game changer for a lot of industries. But it's less about replacing human skill and more about amplifying it.
How do you see AI transforming the way we learn and educate students?
That's a really interesting area. I think AR has the potential to make learning way more engaging and effective. Instead of just reading about the human heart, you could see a 3D holographic model of it beating right in front of you. History lessons could come alive with virtual recreations of ancient cities. It taps into a more intuitive way of learning, visual, interactive, which works well for a lot of people. Plus, it allows for personalized learning experiences. You can tailor the AR content to a student's individual pace and learning style. It's a step beyond just watching videos or looking at pictures in a textbook. It's immersive and lets you actually explore concepts, not just passively receive information. It could also bridge gaps in access to resources. Imagine students in rural areas having access to virtual labs they wouldn't otherwise get.
Okay, what role can AR play in healthcare and medical training?
Huge role, honestly. I was mentioning surgeons earlier, but it's much broader than that. AR can help medical students learn anatomy in a totally new way, visualizing layers of the body without needing a cadaver. It can assist doctors during procedures, projecting real time data like scans or vital signs directly onto the patient. That minimizes distractions and improves accuracy. It's also being used for things like vein visualization, making it easier to administer IVs. For patients, AR can help with rehabilitation, guiding them through exercises or even helping manage pain through distraction. And telemedicine could become even more effective with AR. A doctor could virtually walk through a patient's home to assess their environment and provide more personalized care. The potential to improve outcomes and reduce medical errors is significant.
How is AR impacting the gaming and entertainment industry?
Okay, that's where things get really fun. It's obviously gone way beyond Pokemon Go at this point. AR is letting developers create games that blend seamlessly with the real world. You're not just looking at a screen, you're interacting with the game environment around you. Think about tabletop games coming to life on your coffee table or fighting virtual monsters in your backyard. And it's not just gaming. Live events are starting to use AR to enhance the experience, adding virtual effects to concerts or sporting events. It's about layering digital excitement on top of real world activities.
AR devices.
We're
Okay,
seeing
what are
AR.
some popular today?
Right. We've got a few different approaches right now. Things like Microsoft's HoloLens are more powerful enterprise focused headsets, expensive but really capable. Then there's the Meta Quest 3, which is more consumer friendly and does both VR and AR pretty well. And of course, the biggest player is smartphones. Most smartphones now have AR capabilities built in through their cameras and software. It's not as immersive as a dedicated headset, but it's way more accessible. We're also starting to see more specialized AR glasses like those from Xreal that are aiming to be lightweight and stylish enough for everyday wear. The tech is still evolving, and the form factor is a big focus. People want something that's comfortable and doesn't look too bulky. Sesame is actually working on some lightweight eyewear too, focused on making AR a seamless part of daily life.
Okay, which upcoming AR technologies or gadgets are you most excited about?
Definitely the advancements in lightweight AR glasses. The bulkiness of current headsets is still a big barrier to wider adoption. I'm really interested in seeing how companies like Xreal continue to refine that form factor. Beyond that, I think the integration of AR with AI is going to be huge. Imagine an AR app that can recognize objects in your environment and provide you with relevant information, all powered by AI. And the work Sesame is doing is pretty cool, focusing not just on the tech, but on making the experience feel natural and intuitive. Ultimately, I think the most exciting stuff will be the things we haven't even imagined yet. Once more people start developing for AR, the possibilities will really explode. But for now, smaller, more comfortable glasses and smarter AI integration are the things I'm keeping an eye on.
How do you see AR evolving in the next 10 to 15 years?
Okay, big picture time. In 10, 15 years, I think AR will be almost invisible. Not literally, but integrated seamlessly into our lives. We'll likely be wearing lightweight glasses or contact lenses that overlay digital information onto our field of vision all the time. It won't be about putting on a headset, it'll be about having a constant contextual digital layer to the real world. I think we'll see AI powered AR assistants that anticipate our needs and provide us with information before we even ask for it. Imagine walking through a city and having historical information pop up about buildings as you look at them, or getting real time language translation as you talk to someone. It will become deeply intertwined with how we work, learn, socialize, and even experience the world. The line between the physical and digital will become increasingly blurred, and AR will be the primary interface for interacting with information. It won't be a separate technology, it'll just be how things are. And honestly, I think that's a pretty significant shift.
Okay.
Anything
What
else you'd like
skills
to
should
explore about?
students and professionals learn to participate in the AR future?
That's a smart question. It's not just about being able to use AR apps, it's about understanding how to create and shape the experiences. For students, foundational skills in 3D modeling, game design, and programming will be huge, things like Unity and Unreal Engine. But it's also about creative storytelling and user interface design, how to build experiences that are intuitive and engaging. For professionals, data visualization will be key, being able to present information in a clear and compelling AR format. And a big one is spatial computing, understanding how to design and build experiences that interact with the physical world. Soft skills like problem solving, critical thinking, and collaboration will be important too because building AR applications is often a team effort. Ultimately, it's about blending technical skills with creative thinking to build the next generation of immersive experiences.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing such insightful thoughts about the future of AR. It's clear that AR is not just a trend, it's a powerful technology that will shape education, work, entertainment, and everyday life. To all of our listeners, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring the future. This is Ruby signing off. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.
Oh, all right. Have a good one.